And if it feels right in your body today, shaking the head a little yes, and then no. And then deepen your breath again here. Have a felt sense of the sensation in the low back and the hamstrings. And perhaps allowing that breath to inspire your movement. Where we will bring the feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent, and allow the head to hang over, arms to be relaxed like noodles. Then we'll slowly begin to walk it up, crossing one foot in front of the other perhaps, all the way up to the top edge of your mat.